Unpacking inspection appearance. Check the product and the power information. Turn on the power and start the instrument. Observe whether the display is normal. Temperature regulation mode. Press the set key once, and the SV display flashes. Enter temperature regulation mode. Press the set key again to enter the timing adjustment mode. The adjustment time is minutes. Enter the internal parameter adjustment mode. Press and hold the set key for 10 seconds. After LK is displayed, release and enter password 3. Then press the set key to enter the parameter adjustment. Refer to the manual for parameter functions. If the temperature is abnormal, observe whether the fan rotates. If the door handle is loose, tighten the hexagon socket screws. Damper opening and closing size knob. Adjust the size of the external ventilation duct.